Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with a mostly NYX look, but the eyes are a new palette to me, and so I thought I'd go ahead and get started with what I have on. And like I said, I used mostly NYX products today. So I had the NYX Glaze on, and this is the lightest shade, so it's a fair shade. And then I did go ahead and use the NYX Bear With Me as far as my concealer, and this one's the lightest shade that they have, so they're both in the lightest shade there. As far as what I used for bronzer, it was the Butta Cup, and again, these are the Buttermelt bronzers from NYX, and that's what I have on there. So, yeah. And then I did go ahead and use one of the NYX blushes, and this is Getting Butta. And so it's a really pretty pink shade, and that's what I have on there. And again, more NYX today. I did go ahead and pick up one of their highlighters. I got the Glaze Butta, and this one is actually a little bit, yeah. Take me just a second to get into, crack into this one, because I didn't get all the paper off of it. There we go. Whoops, and I stuck my finger in it. Okay, so this is the highlighter, and it's, again, the Glaze Butta. And these just came in, and they're actually in store over at Ulta, and so that's what I have on as my highlighter today. This is also the color. I'm going to put a little bit more on here since I put my finger right in the middle of it there. There we go. So lots of highlighter today. Lots and lots of highlighter. So again, they just added on to their Buttermelt line, and so now they have the Buttermelt highlighters to go with the Buttermelt blushes and the bronzers. So now, if you want to, you can go ahead and do your whole base with NYX Buttermelt products. As far as what I did for the lips today, again, I did the NYX, and so I did the Butter Gloss. And then I put the Butter Gloss Bling over the top of it, and the Bling has the glitter in it, so I actually have on these two. Or I guess it'd be more that way. So yeah, turned out really pretty. Thought it was really fun. And then as far as getting into the eyes today, with that, I actually used the Klarity Kosmetics Stained Glass palette. And this was when we got an ice cream this month, the ice cream box. And so I did go ahead and use this one as far as my eye look goes. I did go ahead and use the green in the outer corner, and then I used this. It is a gold. Yeah, there it goes. It's definitely a duochrome, and I think it goes like black to gold. So yeah, and I used that on the very middle of the eye. On the very outer corner of the lid itself, I used this gray. So I have this gray, then the gold on, and then right in the very corner I have this one, which is a really pretty duochrome that definitely has some gold and some green in it. So that's how I went ahead and did the look today. I think it turned out it's really dramatic, much more dramatic than I actually thought it was going to be. Used an Emride eyeliner to go ahead and do the eyelining. Here's how the look came out. So if you want to go really dramatic green, you can go ahead and do that with this palette. Okay, so this is a very, very dramatic look. And what I thought I'd do is go ahead and show you how to take it down for an everyday office look. This would be great for going out, but not everybody's going out to some place where you'd wear something like this, right? So I have this is actually one of the microfiber cloths. You can go ahead and get them over at Dollartree. And I went ahead and wet it. and just went ahead and yeah, have a finger in there. It's about a finger width here. And you can just go ahead and take it down kind of like this. And just take off the eyeshadow up at the top. Round it out a little bit. And that actually brings it down more for an everyday kind of look. It's still really, really punchy, but in an office, you could probably go ahead and do something like this, and it would work out fine. Excuse me, I have a little bit of a cold here, but I was just really surprised. I had never tried Klarity before, and the formula is glittery and beautiful and wonderful, and I'm so glad we got this in the ice cream box. It was just a really good idea. I really haven't played with the two mattes in here, so I don't know how they work, but I can tell you that their duochrome multi-chromes are full of glitter and very, very pretty. And so I really like the look I came up with. As far as the regular products that I usually use, I did go ahead and use the Catrice Sungasm powder. And, oops. The Tartlette, and this their the mascara that actually is the tubing mascara, comes off really easy, and the essence made me brow as well. So that's the way that the look turned out, and I hope that you have a great day. I'll see you later, and bye.